How to use Line QR code to add contacts. One of the fastest ways to connect with friends online. Here's how to use Line QR codes to add contacts in just a few seconds. First, launch the Line app on your phone and hit to the Friends tab. You can see it right here, Add Friends. Tap on it. Now tap on QR code you'll have right here. Tap on QR code. Now in order to add friends, simply scan their QR code using your camera like this. Their Line profile will pop up instantly once you scan the QR code, and once it's open, tap on add. Now in order to share your one QR code, tap on this my QR code and you can see copy link and you can just copy link and paste in any platform and share it from there, or you can just tap on save and save in your photos and just share it from there. You can also tap on share and directly share from here to your Snapchat, WhatsApp or mail and more. Just tap on it and that's it. In this way you can use QR code to add contacts online. If this helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and drop a comment below if you want to learn how to use Line on PC next. Thanks for watching.